Hello guys, we're here at International Airport. We're gonna pick up our sister. And guys, this is my driver. Uy! My driver. Yes, that's her.
Yes, that's her. Siya lang din.
Ayan, nandito kami.
Nakarating din.
So ayan, nakarating din kami sa kakarong turn. yung driver ko kasi medyo harap. harap na tiya panghitaan. Landed na daw eh. Lumapag na po tayo sa Ninoy International Airport. Charot. Ay, sorry po, Sydney pala. Nasa Sydney na pala ako. Kala ko nasa Manila pa ako. Dito kami sa airport. Nyawa. Naaraan nyawa. Uy, asan yung gamit nyo? Hi, Kelly.
Videohan naman.
Kelly.
Wala si Kaya.
Wala pas. Ay, naman. We're back. Kelly, say hi. Trying po? Gago. Alam. Ay. Uy, may ano doon, oh. May picture doon. Oo, dali ka dito. Didi, huwag kang bumalik doon. Kelly, welcome back to Sydney. I'm he.
Hindi ka mama ko, walang 10,000.
So ayan, nagugutom kami dito. Tapos pala itong ano na to, yung tinapay nila hindi na tinapay, pancake na yung mga ano nila, burger nila. Oh. Ayan. Hot pancake na.
Hindi lang nahanap ko din. Kasi wala na, quick na.
Dapat pala na-order tayo ng drinks. Ito pala yung order mo.
Sabi nga niya, hindi na siya tapak ng Pilipinas.
Australiano taman talaga siya. Di ba?
White men come and sit down, and then staff come to me, so I was meant to see the manager. Because my name is Dave, automating me. So I go there, I said, can I help you? And he said, I'm waiting for David Cornelius, that's my name. And I said, yeah, that's me. He said, well,
Biglang nakalimutan yung Tagalog, putang ina.
And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall.
So, yan na nga, nasa car na kami. Siyempre, video. Selfie, yan. Medyo okay na yung driver namin. Chares. So, yun, nasa likod, yan ang pinick up namin. Yan si Kelly. And then, yan naman si Janie. Charet. Ginulo ang driver.
Lights, camera, action.